Welcome to Pulkit Health and Fitness, where we embrace the diversity of health journeys and celebrate fitness for all walks of life. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of fitness for different populations. Imagine a world where fitness is not a one-size-fits-all solution, a world where each individual's unique needs, backgrounds, and lifestyles are considered in their fitness journey. That's the world we envision and strive for. From the bustling parent juggling work and family, to the senior citizen seeking vitality and longevity, fitness holds a different meaning for each one of us. It's not just about lifting weights or running miles, it's about finding what moves you, both literally and figuratively. For the young adult, fitness might mean building strength and endurance for life's adventures. For the working professional, it could be a stress reliever after a long day at the office. And for those with chronic conditions, it's a beacon of hope for better health and improved quality of life. Here at Pulkit Health and Fitness, we understand that each population has its own set of challenges and goals. We're here to guide you, inspire you, and support you in discovering the fitness path that resonates with your personal story. So, whether you're a teenager or in your golden years, whether you're starting out or starting over, remember that fitness is a journey we're all on together, each at our own pace. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content that speaks to you, no matter where you are in your fitness journey. Together, let's make fitness inclusive, accessible, and enjoyable for everyone. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your health and happiness.